Hey, my name is Aaron Marcus, and if you're not familiar with my work, I've been a full-time actor and commercial model for over 30 years. I've booked over 1,200 jobs so far. Maybe you saw my recurring role on House of Cards. I've worked on lots of projects from Gotham, Mr. Robot, Law and Order Criminal Intent, Halt and Catch Fire, Rectify. I've done hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of commercial print jobs, TV commercials, uh, training films, industrial films, voiceover work. And I just wanted to tell you, I am really excited about having the opportunity to share my experiences, my information, and teach you how to break into the acting or modeling industry, or if you've been in the industry for a while, how to take it to the next level. And so I'm going to be bringing my Book the Job workshop to Charlotte, North Carolina on October the 27th. I'm going to have a great guest speaker. His name is Marc Soper. He's the head agent and owner of Carolina Talent. And during the workshop, I'm going to be teaching you everything from how to put together an effective headshot resume, even with little to no experience, how to put together eye-catching commercial photos, audition techniques that I use that help me book jobs, how to work with a photographer and techniques to use when you're working in front of a camera, how to get pictures taken free, how to market yourself and get work on your own, how to shoot auditions from home, learn about the unions. Should you join? Are they in your best interest? How do you go about doing that? Answering your questions. And the great thing is you're going to make contact with Marc. He is a great agent. I work with Marc. He's gotten me booked on some really, really incredible projects. And this will be an opportunity for you to introduce yourself, meet him in person, let him see your personality. Whether you have a headshot or not, doesn't matter. You can bring a photo of yourself, or at some point, if you make this great connection, you can send him your information. But anyhow, instead of doing things by trial and error, which is what I did, I can give you a game plan, and I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do to either get started or jumpstart your career and take it to the next level and make an amazing contact in the industry. Use the link below and you can register for the workshop. I do have limited seating, so you want to sign up as soon as possible. I'm Aaron Marcus. Don't forget to use the link below, and I can't wait to work with you and meet you on October the 27th.